Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I look so weird right now. Whew. Anyways, for today's video, we're going to be doing a Thanksgiving glam using some of the new Colourpop products that I had gotten about a week or so ago. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Nicolette. I make weekly videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and give the video a big thumbs up if you like what you see. As always, my social media links are listed down below for you guys. Be sure to check it out. Give me a follow. Let's be friends. I don't have anything else to say because I look so weird right now. So yes, let's go. First, I'm going to start off by priming using the CoverGirl, what is this? True Blend Based Business Skin Primer. I always forget the name, but it is the skin smoothing primer. If you guys are looking for a dupe for the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, I recommend this one. However, this True Blend Primer in like the purple one, which is the pore minimizing one, I don't think that one's too much of a dupe of the Smashbox pore minimizing one, just because, I don't know, it gets the job done. I really like the pore minimizing one. It gets the job done, and it's also very affordable. But the consistency is so different, if that makes any sense. This consistency, This consistency though really reminds me of the Smashbox Photo Finish one. This one, the skin smoothing one. But the other primers don't really remind me of the other Smashbox primers, if that makes any sense, you know? If it doesn't, it's okay. But anyways, I love this primer, the skin smoothing one. It works so good. I'm gonna add some Blistex to my lips because my babies are chapped. All right, I think I'm actually gonna start with my face today. I don't know about you guys, but I actually get ready for Thanksgiving. Like, I do my hair, I do my makeup, I get all cute and shit. So I'm going for full coverage, full glam. I don't know, I'm just like, a lot of people are like, well, it's just a family dinner. And I'm like, okay, but like, what about the pictures? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna start color correcting with the CoverGirl True Blend Pre-Touching Palette. I'm gonna be using the green one just to cover up some redness. When I used to color correct, I used to go all in, but now I sort of just correctly color correct, if that makes any sense. I used to use this as if it was like a primer, literally, but now I'm just like, okay, we're gonna calm down a bit. Next, I'm going to go in with my NYX Dark Circle Concealer. This one is in the shade Fair. And I'm just gonna take that on a brush and apply that right there on my dark circles. So this year is actually our very first year we are hosting our Friendsgiving, and I'm nervous, but I'm also very excited. I don't know, like, I just think it'd be a cute little thing, you know what I mean? I am vlogging it. You guys are seeing this the day before Thanksgiving, and then I am vlogging Thanksgiving. That'll most likely be up on Saturday. I would upload it on Friday, but you know, Black Friday and everybody's out doing something, so I was like, I think I'll upload it Saturday. So yeah, you guys will see our Thanksgiving vlog on Saturday. I'm very excited. I have the rest of my videos planned out for November, which is literally like, what, a week and a half left? And then we're on to Vlogmas, which I'm very excited about. I'm nervous about because I used to only do weekly Vlogmas, but now, girl, I was like, nah, girl, we're gonna do daily. But the only hard part about daily is that my life is not that interesting, trust me. Like, it's really not that interesting. I do the same shit every single day. But yeah, I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. As you guys can probably tell, I haven't been using, so far I haven't used any Colourpop products. I didn't get too much. I just got a foundation. I got the concealer. I got a bronzing powder. This one is in the shade Private Party, I believe. Yes, this one is in Private Party. I just got the pan because I do have big Z palettes, so I was just gonna put it in there. And then I got this baby. This is the Soul palette. Look at it. It's so freaking pretty. What's the other one? I think the other one is called Mar. I think, I don't know, I forget, but I was totally gonna get that one. Cyrus actually told me to get it just because I have a lot of palettes that look like this. I knew I wanted to do a like Thanksgiving look with this palette. I mean, I got the palette because I love the colors, but I knew that when I ordered it, it was going to be, oh my gosh, you guys. When I ordered it, it was going to be arriving around this time, obviously Thanksgiving. So that's why I was like, okay, I'll definitely get this one, but I think I'm gonna go back in and order the other palette. If it's called Mar, I'm pretty sure it is, I forget. Now I'm debating if I want to because I just ordered the Bretman Rock and Colourpop collaboration. So I'm gonna move into foundation. You guys already know how I feel about this. This is in the shade Medium 110W. If you guys haven't seen my first impressions / review / wear test, I will link it right here in the cards, right here. I'm pretty sure. I always get it wrong, whatever. I think it's this side actually. I will link it right here in the cards for you guys to check out. I did do a review / wear test on it. Love this guy, and I think I color matched it fairly well as well. Like I said, I really love this foundation, but the main thing I love about it is that you don't need a lot of it. I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm using a I believe it's the flat angled, yes, the flat angled blender from Luxie. I'm actually filming this before we head out to Cyrus's little work Thanksgiving dinner thing. I'm about to walk up in there with a beat ass face. All right, so next I'm actually gonna be taking the Colourpop concealer. I was very excited about this guy. Damn, I already got makeup on my sweater, you little shit. Anyway, so I got this one in the shade Light. I don't know, I was very, when I was ordering the concealer, I was like, okay, I'm in between either getting Light or getting the one that's right after it, but I thought the one that's right after it looked a little too much like my skin tone. And as you guys know, I like to get concealers that are a bit lighter just so I can conceal and highlight. But now that I got it, I feel like I totally should have gotten the one that's right after this one because I like this one, but I feel like it's a bit too light. You know what I'm saying? It's okay, baby boo. We gonna make it work. We gonna make it do what it do. I love this concealer. I like the applicator, but I also like the way it blends out. It reminds me a lot of the NYX HD concealer, and to a lot of people, that NYX HD concealer is a dupe for the NARS Radiant Concealer. I haven't used that yet, so obviously I can't tell you guys, but I love the way this blends out, but I also love the coverage. Works great. I like this concealer with a brush, just like I do the foundation, versus a beauty sponge. I feel like with the sponge, it shears it out a lot. I'm also gonna drag what I can onto my eyelid, and we're just gonna use that as my eyeshadow base. I'm gonna go back in with the brush I used for my foundation, blend out that line, because as you guys can see, very, very, very harsh. We don't like that. I'm gonna run my brush right over my eye as well, make sure all of that is blended out. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in medium, and I'm just gonna set my whole entire face. Normally, I don't ever set my whole entire face with a loose powder, but when I did it with my Colourpop foundation, when I did it in that video, I absolutely loved, you guys. I just set my whole entire face before cream contouring. Now I can't cream contour, son of a bitch. It's okay. No use crying over spilled milk. It's totally fine. Totally fucking fine. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do my brows off camera because we're looking a little crack right here. And then we're gonna jump right onto the eyes. All right, guys, so brows are good. I did set my lids, but I don't like to set them too much because then I feel like if I set it completely with loose powder, the shadow doesn't really have anything to grab onto, you know what I mean? Set it, but I don't set it like too much, you know what I mean? I still try to make sure that it's a little bit tacky, you know? That way my shadows can blend out super easy, but they still also have something to hold on to, you know? Does that make sense? Ooh, it just started making noise. Oh my god, you guys, my laptop just started making noise. I'm gonna try to talk through this as much as I can, but if not, it's just gonna have to turn into a voiceover because this shit really irritates me. Anyway, so dipping into the palette, I'm gonna be taking this guy right here, which is the shade Dynamite. I am taking that on a Morphe M504, and then I'm just gonna brush that right into my crease. Nothing too precise. I just wanna make sure that I have this down as my transition shade. That way all the other colors can blend together, but also to make sure I have a nice gradient effect going from all these colors right here into my brow bone. Okay guys, I'm sorry, it's gonna be a voiceover from here on out. I didn't want it to be a voiceover just because I know you guys like talk throughs better, but this is kind of really irritating me. Okay, so right now I am still going in with the Dynamite just to build that up to the intensity that I like. Next, I'm going in with the shade Nude Digs on a Sigma E25, and I'm starting off really light. In this color, I go in quite a few times, but just because I do want to start off light, just so I don't start off with anything too harsh. These shades are really easy to blend out, but I just wanted to build it up. I just wanted to take my time and, like I said, blend it all out. As you guys can see, I am going in circular motions when I do start from the outer corner, bringing the color in. I found that I like this technique better, especially with this brush. I've mentioned to you guys before that this brush does a lot of the blending for you. Overall, just an amazing brush. You guys will see me go back and forth with this clean blending brush. I feel like it's a little bit easier for me. I feel like I'm just like cleaning up as I go. You know what I mean? Let's see how many times I can say like. Anyways, if you guys can hear that damn construction in the back, truly apologize. Anyways, like I said, you guys will see me go in with the shade Nude Digs quite a few times just so I can build it up. I really want this color to stick out. It's so pretty. Now I am taking some concealer just so I can carve out my lid, and then I'm going to be setting that with some translucent powder, and then I'm going to be going in with the shade Hotel, I believe. It will be listed down below for you guys. Actually, first, I'm going to spritz my brush and then go in with the shade Hotel. And I'm just going to pack that all over my lid. I felt like these colors went so well together. And as I was packing the color on, I was like, I actually just really fell in love with it. I was like, I feel like this is just so perfect for Thanksgiving. I'm going to take New Digs again and just blend out the harsh line that is between New Digs and Hotel, but also my main goal was really to blend out New Dig on the outer corner, but blend it into Hotel right there on that outer corner, excuse me. It just makes a really pretty gradient effect, and it makes everything look so pretty and so flawless. And then I actually picked up Dynamite one more time just to blend everything out, and then I took a clean blending brush just to clean everything up. Now I'm going in with some lashes, finally, right? Those are the Allure number 26 lashes. Next, I'm going to be contouring. So I made that face because in the pan, it looks so dark, but when I applied it to my face, it was the perfect color. It blended out so well. I really, really, really like this contour powder from Colourpop. I'm actually thinking of going in and trying to get another shade, but I mean, I feel like this shade worked out just fine for me. But yeah, you guys know the routine, nothing new here. I'm just contouring the normal places that I would. And then I'm also gonna be taking some blush with the same blush that I've been using for like ever, which is the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush. And I forget actually, but it will be listed down below. Now I'm just gonna blend everything out with a stippling brush. This is my favorite one from Royal and Langnickel. Next, I'm going to be taking New Digs and I'm going to be applying that to my lower lash line. As you guys can see, I applied it first with a more denser brush, and now I am blending everything out with the Sigma E25. For my brow bone highlight and inner corner highlight, I'm using a duo from Pixi. That one will be listed down below for you guys. And then before I actually apply, moving too fast, I am applying mascara first. And then before I apply highlight, I'm just going to spritz my face, and then I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, what is that called? That Glow palette. I'm not entirely sure, I don't even know if they still sell this palette anymore, just because every time I look online, it always shows me the other palettes, but not this one. So yeah, let me know. For lips, this isn't anything new. I am lining them with the Italian lip liner in Chocolate, and then I'm filling them in with the CoverGirl Liquid Lippy in Cakewalk, and then I'm taking a brush just to blend everything out and make it look so flawless, so cute. And then I'm just gonna lock everything in one more time with my CoverGirl Look Lockup Setting Spray. Alrighty guys, and this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope this gave you some ideas of what you guys want to do for Thanksgiving if you guys do happen to get dressed up like we do. I do apologize that halfway through I did have to do a voiceover. My laptop was not having it with me, but for some reason now it is. Let me know what you guys think of this look. I really hope you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving. I hope you guys have so much fun with your family, and I hope you guys eat so much food. I will see you guys on Saturday with my Thanksgiving vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.